rhythm, it's Jamaican pride representing for CCN World TV News. It's CCN World TV News.
Everybody's looking at Project X right now. The building, the vision, the progress. But what if I told you this didn't start with money? This didn't start fully planned. And it definitely didn't start perfect. It started with something much smaller. Something most people overlook. And that's exactly why most people never build anything like this. Because Project X became what you're seeing today. It was just an idea in Colaz Smith's mind. No blueprint everyone believed in. No guaranteed success. No crowd cheering him on. Just a vision. And that's the part people don't respect. Because ideas don't look powerful in the beginning. They look uncertain. But vision is what separates watchers from builders. Let's be honest. When Project X just started, it didn't look like this. It looked like bare structure, incomplete spaces, slow progress, constant adjustments. And to some people, it looked like nothing special. That's how it always is. Because people judge what they see, not what it's becoming. And if Colaz had listened to that, Project X would have started before it stopped, before it even started. Here's what people don't understand. Projects like this don't grow on hype. They grow on consistency, day after day, rain or shine, no matter how it looks. You've seen it yourself. People like Kevian showing up, working in conditions most would avoid. That's not normal behavior, that's commitment. Him working in the rain, that says a lot. That's what builds something real. Him showing up on a rainy day. Because while people are watching, some people are working hard. There were moments when Project X didn't look like it would turn into anything big. Progress felt slow, the vision wasn't fully visible, and from the outside, it was easy to doubt it. And this is where most people quit. Because when results aren't immediate, doubt becomes louder than vision. But here's the difference with Colaz. He didn't stop when it looked uncertain. He kept building. Then, something started happening. Not overnight success, but progress you could finally see. Structure turned into form, from turning into something meaningful. And now, people started paying attention. Because once results start showing, so does belief. But what they didn't realize is the real work was already done in the unseen phase. Now, Project X is being talked about. People are watching. People are analyzing. People are impressed. But let's be real. They're only seeing the highlights. They didn't see the early struggles, the slow day, the pressure, the consistency. They didn't see the journey, only the visible progress. And this is a lesson. Project X isn't about a building. It's about mindset. It's about discipline. It's about showing up, even when nothing looks impressive yet. Because in the end, the real success isn't the building. It's the person who had the discipline to build it. So, if you're watching this and you're at your early stage right now, where nothing looks big yet, good. That's actually exactly where it started too. If you respect the journey behind Project X, drop a comment. Respect the process because this didn't happen overnight.